What's going on, my good people? Otis L. Milton here, the Mortgage Millennial, and I'm here to talk to you guys today. I've been getting tons and tons of requests about information about the new Forgivable Equity Builder Loan Down Payment Assistance Loan Program offered by CALHFA. So I said, hey, how about we do a video so we can really break down the details of how one qualifies and what the program actually entails, okay? So this particular program, it is a down payment assistance program up to 10% on the purchase of a home, and it is forgivable. It is forgivable if the client stays in the property for 5 years, right? So no selling or refinancing the property for 5 years, and the amount of down payment assistance you receive will be fully forgiven. That's great, right? That means it's a subordinated second. So there's no second payment. There's no interest on the second. It's literally just the percentage that you got for down payment. As long as you stay in it for 5 years, it is forgiven. Now, let's say if you want to move 2 or 3 years into it, or sell the property 2 or 3 years into it, or refinance the property 2 or 3 years into it, it will be prorated the amount of money that you were given based on how much you need to pay back based on the sale of the property or the refinance of your new loan. So let's talk about some of the eligibility that one needs to fall into to qualify for this program. So you must be a first-time homebuyer to qualify this program. Now, a lot of people think first-time homebuyer means it's the first time you've ever bought a property. That is not the definition of a first-time homebuyer. First-time homebuyers are defined by you have not claimed ownership interest in any property for the last 3 years, right? So if you bought a property 10 years ago and you sold it 5 years ago and you have not claimed any ownership interest on your tax returns in the past 3 years, you are considered a first-time homebuyer, right? So that's qualification number one. You must occupy this property as your primary residence, right? No non-occupying co-borrowers are allowed on this program. So no co-signers. Everyone that's going to be on this loan must occupy the property as their primary residence. There's also a home buyer's course that you will need to take online to qualify for this program as well. Now, the biggest part is the income limits that are set, right? And so for this program, it does follow the income limits that are set by Fannie Mae for their Home Ready product. So this is super important. And this is how you find out if your client or if you as a buyer or borrower may qualify for this program. So if you're on the website, you can even Google this tool, or you can reach out to me. We can look at it together. So let's go ahead and look at this here. Let's stop sharing that and let's go to share this. So let's take a look at this. So this is the actual website where you can check out program eligibility. So let's just type in a address and see what the income limit is in the area to qualify for this program. Right? So here we are, it shows, this is the figure, it's the middle number. It's 80% of the area median income as you've seen on the CalHFA website. So if the income exceeds $68,880, they will not qualify for this program. So that is essential to know. So not everyone will qualify for this particular program, but CalHFA has other down payment assistance programs, and there are other statewide programs that your client may be approved for that has a little bit higher income limits. I will tell you this particular area would be almost unessential to purchase in if that was the income. So you got to be very strategic, knowing that there is an income limit on this program. It's not one for all, but nonetheless, it is a program there. And if you do find someone that has that income limit and they want to take advantage of this, it's a great program, right? It does have a minimum credit score of 660 for an FHA loan and a minimum credit score for 680 for a conventional loan, right? So again, I want to share this with you guys so we know exactly what we're looking at, 80% of the area median income. So you can type in a zip code or an address to a particular area, find out what the area median income is. I will tell you, in most cities in Los Angeles County, 68,800 is going to be the maximum area median income, but you can check that out for yourself or reach out to me and I can help you take a look. This is super important because a lot of people are ranting and raving about this program. So I want to share that with you guys. Hope this gives you a little bit more detail and intel about how this particular down payment assistance program works. I hope it works for some people. I'm approved with this program. So if you need help obtaining this program or any other down payment assistance programs that are offered, please reach out to me. With that being said, I definitely wanted to share this with you guys. I got to get back to work, but this was the important information that I'm going to make sure you guys get. So with that being said, I'm back to work. I'll talk to you guys soon, and drink lots of water. Bye-bye.